What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get liquid glass on older iPhones. iPhones older than the iPhone 11 were never supposed to get the liquid glass redesign, however this looks amazing. In order for this to work, you must have a jailbreak. Different iOS versions have different jailbreaks, so go jailbreak your device and then come back to this video. This tweak recreates liquid glass, and this is awesome for old devices that will never have the chance to get it. It even works on the Force Touch menu. Before we get into it though, let's talk about device and iOS version compatibility. This tweak works on all devices iOS 14 through iOS 17. Right now, it doesn't run on anything lower than iOS 14, so just keep that in mind. Anyway, let's get into it. So here's what you do. Add the repo in the description below for the liquid glass tweak and go install it. If you want the full experience of a modern device, go download the clear icon theme and the iPhone X style gestures. The info for all of that will be down below in the description. And here you go. You now have something that resembles liquid glass on your older device. This isn't perfect one-to-one, however, it's very good. This tweak is still pretty new, so if you're running into any bugs or issues, that's why. Also, the performance might differ depending on what device you're using. So for right now, this tweak just adds liquid glass to the home screen and the lock screen, but what's really impressive to me is the fact that it's not just glassy, the refractions are here too, which is what makes liquid glass special. The reason why the real liquid glass is really cool is it's reactive based on what you're doing on your device. So this tweak tries its best to replicate it, and in its early stages so far, I think it does it pretty well. Toggles across the OS also have that redesigned look, and that's pretty cool. And of course, you can dive deeper into the settings to customize things further to your liking. So that's an early first look on how to get liquid glass on older devices. There might be some bugs, there might be some battery drain, but most of that should hopefully get fixed in future updates. Hopefully, more liquid glass UI elements should be coming in the future. Anyway guys, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video and it helped you at all, please hit that like button. Want to stay up to date with everything about customizing your iPhone? Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, turn on that bell icon so you never miss out on a brand new upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one, guys. Peace.